Okay guys, so good morning. Welcome to my channel, Junior channel. Okay, so today guys, I will teach you on how to download this new native messenger app which is launched last April 2. This is a standalone app that you can use. The advantage is it's faster, smaller, and simpler messenger for Mac and for Windows only. Okay, so if you have a Mac desktop or Windows desktop, pwede mo siya ma-download. Now, all you need to do is to go to this link. By the way, this is the Messenger Facebook page ng Facebook. So you go to click Get, okay? Then it will open sa Microsoft Store. All you need to do is log in. If wala ka po login, just create one for free. So you click on Install. Once you installed it, you just click on Launch, okay? While it's launching, I will show you guys the benefits. So, diba? So this is how it looks like. Basically, it's the same app like the Messenger app na built in sa Facebook app. One of the advantages na naman is because you can send and receive photos, no limit. Okay, so previously diba may limit, so this one has no limit. It's a native app, and if your bandwidth, your internet is slow, since it's using only low data, so not like Zoom balaw, so namit din siya. Okay, so once you are logged in, same as as you can see, external siya, okay, standalone siya. Okay, so we will try to call Jomar. Okay, i-remove ko lang ang camera dito, okay, hindi siya pag-i-allow ni Messenger. Okay, so I'll call Jomar. Okay, I will show you guys the quality kung na siya the reason nga we are using this tutorial. So dasi lang siya i-download, very fast download. Okay, so it's calling now. Okay, i-mute ko lang para hindi siya Okay, so we will check now. Okay, we will share this video. Okay, yung video ko share ko man. Okay, there you go. So si Jomar, ang camera ni Jomar naka-off. Yan ito. Okay, so yan ko na siya. Yan ko man ako. Okay, so that's it. So this is the quality guys, no? Fast siya. As you can see, wala siya nag-lag, no? So nami siya. Nami ang So you can do a video conference sa imo families as much as you want. Kung damo ka mo, no? Right. So the quality is nami siya. What else? Okay, so the links are here. I-post ko na siya sa video description. Okay, so again guys, don't forget to like our page, follow our YouTube channel. Okay, so it's a Junior channel ba? So you just click subscribe and follow the subscribe button. Click the bell button to see our next video upload. Okay, so thank you and good morning.